Hi, this is Manny, and I'm going to show you how to take apart a baseball, which is right in front of here. I'll get an ugly one, and then the supplies we'll need: one baseball, knife, pocket knife, scissors wouldn't help, and if you're a child and you want to take apart a baseball, I'll recommend you get an adult. So some adult is gonna take apart the red lacing, and then I'll be right back. Like I said, I had an ugly baseball, so the thread is right there, which you see standing up on the baseball. So I'm gonna head in and take apart all, because there's two parts of yarn, and I'll take the first one apart. 2, 1. So right in front of you, it's the first layer of thread. On the ugly one, it was all like this, and it was very ugly. And then there will be another type of string with it'll be like the thread you buy at Walmart to knit. It'll be very thick. And then right in the center, it's a bouncy ball, which is rolling away. Right there. It could be any color. I seen one purple. And here, I'll bounce it. Okay? Sorry, I had my... The ball's hitting the floor like you just saw. One more time. See? Okay. Subscribe and like, and see you later. Bye.